Hello, how are you all? Again, some remembrance, and again, once more, our identity, getting to know each other. Yeah. So, I'm Shubhada Sasrabade, and
I'm Dr. Charushila Ramesh Birazdar.
my telephone number is 98909
93711 29225.
So, coming back to our channel name, Unresolved Emotions. Today, we are going to go with some unresolved relationships also, because they are again intermingling with the emotions. No relationship is without emotions, right? So, one small poem which I thought I could read is this: Worry is a conversation you have with yourself and things you cannot change. Prayer is a conversation you have with God about things He will change. God wants us to take this first step to help us of this change for the change. Means if we do something and change, then he is going to help us. So here we begin with the typical relationships. Charu,
So,
which are coming to your mind?
yeah, so earlier we were discussing anger and it's all brothers and sisters like irritation and disturbance. So, now I think we'll give a practical term
Surely.
how this anger and its sisters and brother siblings act in how
Real relationships.
real relationships. So, let us take an example of father and
Daughter.
Huh.
Okay. So it means the father is so thrilled to see the baby when it comes, and I think he falls in love after his wife. The second in his life falling in love is the baby girl. So it's a very platonic, as well as respectful, as well as ambitious relationship wherein he wants to give everything to his daughter. Yeah. So as the child grows, she starts giving the respect and love, which he is like looking at unconditional love, because that baby, when the baby loves, it doesn't have all this in mind, that how much is his wealth, who all are behind him, how much has he been educated, nothing of that sort. So for the first time he sees unconditional love. So that is a different theorem altogether. And then I come to this mom and daughter, a bit complicated, bit possessive, bit more involved. Like when the mother gives birth to the daughter, she has gone through so much of pain, 9 months and real giving birth. So it is a test time for her as well as the baby. And then the test keeps on coming every day, 24 hours. So it's a somewhat like I was free until now, but now I'm no more free. So one moment the mama has fallen in love with the baby, and at some moment she says, oh my god, I'm getting so tired. So it's a bit of a strained relationship. And then as the baby starts growing, she starts feeling certain fears about, now my baby is growing, now will she behave in the social manner, all such things. So it's a different relationship. At one time she wants her daughter to be beautiful, confident, smart. At other times she feels, oh my god, should she wear this, should she behave in this way, should she be very open, or should she be a little more quiet. So it's a big circle of worries, fears, as well as affections.
Right.
So, how do you see any example?
So, what I feel is the mother becomes more possessive, dominating in her own insecurities and fear. She becomes more possessive and dominating with the girl child.
Yeah.
So, and then she will start dictating, but she doesn't understand the lines or what we say borders.
Yeah.
Some border has to be drawn.
Boundaries have to be
Boundaries,
set.
borders. Huh.
That means when the child is very, very small, it's all fine. But as she starts growing, let us say she starts going to the school, first standard, and then there is a step. That means the mama is quite insecure about her passage to the school and back, whether she has eaten her tiffin, all that. But later on, as the baby becomes a girl and comes to her teenage, at that time, I think she has to take a little step behind to become a friend more than a mother. So, more than what she's wearing and dictating on how her looks are going to be, it's more better to become a friend and ask her about what comes to your mind. Just share with me. In that way, instead of being possessive, that friendliness can be brought in the relationship. And then once she starts growing and she has a boyfriend, most of the teenage girls, or even the girls in 20 and 30s also, don't want to share anything with the mother. They first want to share it with their sibling, sister or brother, and then afterwards, after they give a green signal, she wants to tell it to a mother. Sometimes a father is closer and she feels better to share it with him rather than her. But this is a complicated relationship altogether. Say once the daughter gets married, the mother really has to trust the sensibility of the daughter and then tell her in a way like asking that, did you have any problems in some making of some vegetables, would you like to have some time management tips given, something of this sort. I think need to come rather than what did you make and how did he react, means husband, means son-in-law of this mother. I think over there she needs to take a little space, she has to give the space and take a step behind, because over there possession and being possessive and call me every day or I will call you every day doesn't really count. Yeah, it doesn't work. Then the relationships at husband's place start getting spoiled and stretched, and then nobody wants a wife who keeps on taking mother's advice. They would rather prefer for her to become smart. So of course, it's fine for her to call sometime which when nobody's there in the house. So little by little, then she has to become smarter, literally.
So this space needs to be maintained. Once the daughter gets married, I think the space should be maintained and respect. Mother should keep her own self-respect.
Yes.
That is also important.
Yes, and respect the son-in-law.
Ah,
He has a say equally or even more than the mother. So rather than indulging every day, it's better weekly they meet or talk. Why not? Why not that way?
even in our Hindu philosophy, we say Vanaprasthashram. So it is real Vanaprasthashram. Whenever help is required, we are available.
Yeah.
If help is not required, you are independent identity. I am independent. Identity. So that principle should be followed. I think.
Yeah, rather than
Vanaprasthashram.
indulging
Ah.
in son-in-law's relatives and who said what and what gift came. I mean,
Stupidity.
that hardly matters.
Stupidity, because it disturbs the relationships. Disturbs irritation, anger. We start walking that place.
Yeah, yeah.
Anger, where anger resides.
The higher colors.
Ah.
Yeah, yeah. So that is a relationship where one needs to be very aware of what to talk, how to, etc. Then let us come to the siblings.
Yeah.
So which sibling would you
Yeah,
like to take?
sister, brother, sister, and brother, brother.
Yes.
So three types of relationships
Relationships are there between siblings.
So
Sometimes there's a gap of say 2 years, 3 years. Sometimes there's a big gap of 5 to 10 years also.
correct.
So the relationship matters, means it differs, rather has too much of space if the distance in between both is little large, isn't it? And if it is like 3 or 4 years, it is manageable, good enough. So how is it about two sisters?
Yeah, two sisters. I feel if it is based on pure
Affections.
love, affection removes all the boundaries of age or experience or degrees, whatever. So love should be the base foundation. Yes,
Yes.
we are all together. We we are sharing each and everything in our house. So
Mm.
that love should persist till the end.
Yeah, it should be so big
Huh.
as it's a wall
Correct.
in which
Huh.
the relatives are as a
Encompass.
family is staying.
Staying.
So that is far ahead of any other small matters,
Correct.
any comparisons, I would say,
Correct. Correct.
any partialities.
Hmm. And even if partiality is there, what I observed that there was one film in of Raj Kapoor,
Hmm.
and he said कि जो फिल्म पॉपुलर नहीं हुई
Hmm.
वो मेरे पास रह गई,
Oh.
एंड जो पॉपुलर हुई उसको लोगों ने ले लिया.
Oh.
सो वैसा ही दैट इज हाउ इट हैपेंस विद द पेरेंट्स एंड चाइल्ड.
Hmm.
जो ज्यादा जग को प्यारे नहीं होते ना, सो दे आर नियर टू द पेरेंट्स. So that is how, if we understand this principle, because उसमें ही राज कपूर एक्सप्लेन ब्यूटीफुली कि वो उसमें मेरा नाम जोकर ही मेंशन. सो उसमें थोड़ी कमी थी, वीकनेस था. सो मुझे बहुत अच्छी लगी, लेकिन वो जग ने एक्सेप्ट नहीं की. सो दैट इज हाउ सेम कैन बी एप्लीकेबल विद द पेरेंट्स. वो कुछ कमी रहती है तो पेरेंट्स विल स्टार्ट लविंग नेचुरली टू दैट सिटिंग. सो इफ वी अंडरस्टैंड दिस पर्टिकुलर रूल
Yeah.
or law,
It's a very good one.
partiality never comes in our mind, never at all. So whoever is having lack attitude, parents should give that person.
Yeah.
So they should be equal with each other. So if we
Now this comes to with respect to certain intelligence or money matter.
correct.
But what about looks?
Huh.
It can happen that one daughter
Hmm.
is fair,
Huh.
the other is not so fair,
Huh.
or one looks. I mean, she has some features which are a little better than the sisters.
Other.
Yeah. Over there, should they be partial?
Yeah, that is many times it happens. But then I think after growing up the daughter, they should take a broad outlook ki whatever my mother has done for me, that is a great thing for us, no? And this is her unawareness. So we can, if we are taking 10, and if we can we not forgive two things. It is her unawareness. Maybe everybody is, nobody is perfect, so we
Yeah.
are also not perfect.
Yeah.
So my mother might also be not perfect, so that is fine.
Yeah, and if that love, as you said earlier, is so
So big.
then this hardly
It
matters.
hardly matters. Exactly.
So there should not be some subconscious resentment in the child who is not looking so good. It should be like, okay, she's good. Just accept her as she is. And you have certain big qualities of yours too. So why she would also accept you in a similar manner.
So this partiality, resentment never comes. If
Huh.
again the love is there,
There, yeah,
what mother has done for me,
yeah,
that is important. So
Yeah.
if we that forgive these two things, can we not forgive? Even I have observed animals. If we see Nirakshira Nyay, so I always give example to my children. Ki, see, if a duck is there, that house, Nirakshira, swan. So it will perfectly choose only milk and not water. When you mix milk and water together and tell the swan to just give it, it will only drink milk and water will remain. So even if you give monkeys that groundnut thing, nuts, so it will remove very beautifully all the whatever
Shells.
the covering shells, and it will eat only that whatever
Peanut.
is inside peanut. So this is Nirakshira Nyay. So if this is applicable in animals, why
Why
we
not us?
cannot apply?
Yeah.
What to take and what not to take? It should be our prudence or wisdom.
Yeah.
We should use, I
It should
think
be
so.
there.
Ah.
Means in the life of show everything. I don't think that show is more important than the characteristics of the family members. So that is
Everybody
one.
should love
Yes,
their own siblings, whoever brothers, sisters.
I was watching one 12-year-old and one 8-year-old brothers, and this was happening that since the 12-year-old is elder, he all the time wanted to show off, not show off literally, but advise as caretaking, perhaps. But now, when the younger one is growing, that boy has started understanding about, I can think. Let me think. Don't all the time tell me, because then once you start telling me, I start leaning on you, and then my brain starts becoming self-conscious, or it doesn't have that much strength. Self-confidence is lost because all the time you are there to help, and that help is literally not so good if the confidence is getting suppressed.
Suppressed.
Yeah, so that is again with brothers, and then brother and sister. I think when the brother is older, and the sister is younger, that time he becomes a caretaker. He is all the time in that protective mode. While if the daughter, means if the girl is having a little elderly distance, she becomes like a second mother to the brother. So again, this sister and brother is a very good combination. It remains that till perhaps the time comes when certain estate has to be
Properties and
properties
estate.
have
Many
to be.
times I'm
Huh.
feeling very sad for that. So much of conflicts are going on regarding
Yeah,
the
yeah,
property and all. We
yeah.
should be like a king. We should let go all the things.
Yes, means if the parents think they want to give all the property to their son, then let them.
Huh.
If the parents think they want to divide it equally, let them. But why are you getting hurt insisting or making an issue out of it?
Correct, correct.
Uh, aren't they more important because it is their property?
Huh. They have earned it.
They have
So
earned
it
it.
is there. Let us give them space.
Yeah.
And let us, our spiritual mentor used to say,
Huh.
कि when there is love, there is freedom.
Huh.
So if you love your parent, why not to give them freedom? We should respect their
Yes.
opinion,
Surely.
wills, whims, fancies, whatever.
Hmm.
So we should accept and respect. That is only possible with love.
Yes.
Beyond that, nothing is possible.
And love means respect.
Respect, exactly.
This especially is seen in the little stretched and hugged relationship of a husband wife.
Huh.
So over there, like in husband wife, what happens is earlier husband is a bit more respected than the wife is, but ultimately later on, if she's also working, he's also working, little by little, both have to share the responsibilities. But if these are not shared, and they become as a like he is more in the living room and she is everywhere, that means not only living room serving, also in the kitchen all the time cooking, as well as taking care of the children in their rooms and taking care of the parents, his parents, then it becomes a little bit more. I think as a woman, the girl gets tired with certain clock hour work, and he doesn't get so much tired in the same clock hour work.
Correct.
So he should be paying attention, as dividing the work, taking some responsibilities rather than all giving all responsibility to her.
Right.
It is time that she has a fewer responsibilities and he has equal or little more than her. I don't know whether as a woman I am becoming partial, but I have been keeping wondering all these years that shouldn't she, as a little female, means having a little less strength, become a little more independent as giving her time, because she gets more tired daily, daily, daily.
But even in such a beautiful relationships of husband and wife, that
Mhm.
he will say, "Chalo, what you are doing? Chalo,
Mhm.
we'll have some in hotel. May we'll go for date. We'll go
Huh.
here. We'll go there. Now
Get
we
that
have
date.
done lot of job. So
Yes.
chalo, let us do. Even I would give an example. Ki uh, one lady was there and she wanted to prepare cakes and all these things. So she joined the workshop and then brought all the things for preparing cake. Then the husband came and he
Yeah.
said, "Why you are doing that? How much you will eat? One cake, one
Ah,
pastry.
okay.
Let us go out and have pastry. Why you are doing so much and you are getting tired and exhausted unnecessarily?"
Uh-huh.
So such a beautiful relationship is also
Yeah.
seen.
Yeah.
In the world, there are so many
So
varieties or
many.
diversities.
Oh, yeah, yeah,
So,
yeah. Lately, I saw one where this wife wanted to meet her mother,
hmm,
and I mean, she was all the time remembering her.
hmm,
And the husband said, "I see that you're not you.
hmm,
So where are you lost?"
hmm.
So she thought that I need to go to another city, and what should I and how should I word this? But he said, "I can be with you. Come on, let's go. Let's just go tomorrow." And both of them drove, met the mother, stayed with her, and then returned.
Correct.
And I mean, this happened so spontaneously that I think the charm of this relationship between he and she
Beautiful.
is the respect and the spontaneity.
Correct.
Rather than, all duties written down, you need to do this, 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 this. and she said, you also need to do that.
Finger pointing. So
Finger pointing.
what I feel in our podcast, let us take all these positive examples, so our viewers will like all positivity, because there is we are all bombarded with negativity
Yeah.
and
So
difficulties, and everybody is fighting and conflicting. So let us remove that
yeah.
thing. There is everything. This world is beautiful, life is beautiful,
Sure.
so many things to learn, listen.
Yeah.
Let
So,
us adopt that.
could we take some more examples of big heart next time?
Definitely.
So we'll go towards them because we are seeing them. We are also wanting to share them with you.
Positive things, because in I have gone through one of the experience of Narmada Parikrama,
Oh.
and
Oh.
one lady, they gave a very beautiful example. She she was a, you can say, spiritually advanced, but that time while doing Narmada Parikrama, as we are all carrying negativities, so she had bath in Narmada Parikrama, Narmada river. Then she saw a lot of, in the Narmada river itself, they do all the cutting of buffalo's hair.
Oh.
And
Oh.
all the
Oh.
buffalo hair were there just scattered in the water. And see, when these Parikramavasi do Narmada Parikrama, they will drink that water only. So she was so irritated. Oh God,
Anxious, worried.
irritated, disturbed. Ki, what is this? And she completed her bath, and then they started walking, and 4 5 kilometers away there was one ashram. So they went, both husband wife, they traveled, and they went to the ashram. Then after going to the ashram, after seeing the sadhu Maharaj or Guruji over there, they narrated ki, see, it is so irritating, all the hair of buffalo, they were scattered, we cannot drink the water, all their disgust they just poured over there.
Oh.
Then that Swamiji said ki, okay, how many days you are traveling, doing parikrama? So she said just 3 months. But then he said ki, it is more better explained in Marathi ki parikrama अजून भिनली नाहीये. It is not
Oh,
imbibed.
it has not sunk in.
Imbibed.
Ah.
Because there are so many positive things, negative things. What you have to take, it is your choice.
Oh yeah.
So why you are carrying this negativity 4 kilometers walking, and you have poured this negativity in my ashram?
Oh no.
Why you are carrying this negativity? Tell something positive, good. So that is what I took the idea ki in our podcast we'll talk all the not rosy, but the reality. It is happening positively.
Yeah.
Positive examples.
Positive examples are many,
Many.
but we try and forget them and only remember the bad ones.
Ah.
So we will curtail our bad examples and we will only look at the beautiful narrations of spontaneous and respectful
Love, peace, and removing
affections.
anger and all these things. Let
Sure.
us remove these enemies from our system itself.
Sure,
And
they will.
energy goes, attention goes, energy flows. So it is the rules.
Yes,
We
definitely.
will focus on positivity, and you please let us know your also comments and your views and opinions.
Surely.
And please like and subscribe our channel.
Yes.
Thank you so much.
We look forward to your comments
Yeah.
and see you next time.